Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to fix this issue. Please select Android SDK. Okay, so if you are getting this error, please select Android SDK. You can easily fix that. So in order to fix that, right, what you need to do is you need to go to this files project structure. You need to go, or you need to go to the settings. Sorry, you need to go to the settings. Okay, so here search Android SDK. Yes, this is my Android SDK. And this is my Android SDK location. Good. So already the location is perfectly set, but still if you're getting error, go to local.properties, okay, on your project files. Okay, if you need to change it to project files, then you can see by default it will be like Android, the project view. You need to change it to project files and then go to Gradle folder and click on this local properties. Yes, it's already set. The directory, this is my directory. So everything is set, and go to sync project files, and then I'm going to run the app. This time I should not be getting any error. So I'm getting some error. So run successfully, but I'm getting some errors. That's not a problem. Guys, if you are getting error like this, then you can easily fix it. Okay, you need to fix on build.gradle.kts in app level. Okay, what it exactly shows is doesn't appear to be a valid Python command. So I have given the single slash, so I need to change it to double slash. Okay, it should be like this. This is the exact path you can copy where you install the Python. You can copy the exact locations of your Python and you can paste it here with double slash and then save it and then sync it. This time you should not be getting any errors. So once you sync the projects, the error should be fixed. Yes, that's it friends. Now it's successfully fixed. So cool. Build is successful friends. So this is the way you can fix a Python issue in your Android Studio.